Need to install a driver-facing camera in an AI dashcam from Verizon Connect? Here's how. We'll show you how to prepare, install, and assign the driver-facing camera. Let's start with preparation. Before we begin, let's prepare a few things. First, turn off the vehicle's ignition. Check that you are parked in an area with good network coverage. Have all the items in the box ready to go. If you haven't already, download the integrated video app and log in. Now, we'll walk you through how to install the camera. Loosen the screws and remove the side panel on the camera attached to the windshield. Remove the plastic placeholder component from the camera body by pressing the small tab on the side of the camera towards the windshield. Peel off the lens protection film and plug in the driver-facing camera. Turn on the ignition. Now wait up to 5 minutes. You should see solid blue and green lights when the camera has booted up. Adjust the driver-facing camera by rotating up or down. Check the camera preview and make any final adjustments. Replace the side panel and tighten using the tool provided to lock the camera position. While not in use, store the privacy cover somewhere within the driver's reach. Apply the camera-equipped sticker to one of the front side windows. Now let's see how to assign the camera. Using the app, assign the camera to the vehicle. Wait a few moments for the camera to connect with the vehicle. Double-check both driver-facing and road camera previews for proper alignment. If you need any help, visit our Help Center at install.verizonconnect.com.